Cream, yes. Tonight, I think this is really nice.
Yeah.
Do you think so? We just not mind my hair, like I'm literally not done. Hopefully it even works out tonight. So my appointment is now done. No, thank you. Hey everybody, so I'm now home. It's been a couple of hours. My mom helped me kind of put up the jumpsuit a little bit because it was really long and I don't have time to go get it altered, but I will do that once the event is done. And right now my sister's gonna help me with my hair. So the lighting may be better this way. Oh yeah. And then go travel to Sydney to do my makeup by Vincent, which I'm excited about because I haven't seen him in so long. So yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Sorry, the lighting's here. Okay, so I am done now. My sister did my hair. It looks really cute. Oh yeah, yesterday I don't think I showed you, but I actually, before my meeting with my uni group, I blow dried my hair. So that made this process a lot easier. But yeah, I'm waiting for the train. It comes in like 30 minutes. So until then, I'm just hanging out at home. And yeah, I will see you guys when I am on the train or when I get to Vincent's for makeup. It smells so good. My mom's cooking. Sounds great. But yeah. Okay, before I put my phone on charge, I did get a package from bread, which I'm so excited about because I absolutely love bread. And if you watch one of my previous videos, you would know that I did a review on bread. So let's open this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. How did they know this is exactly what I needed? Oh, I'm sorry, but bread has the cutest packaging ever. Like, I'm sorry. And then this is my favorite leave-in. It's like a hair cream. So we've got more of this, which is perfect. We've also got more of the gel. Which, yes, perfect. It's so good. These products together, definition at its finest. I'll definitely let you know. I haven't obviously used their shampoo and conditioner before, but it's exciting that they've come out with that. And their packaging is just the cutest always, so I'm excited for that. After I finish with this hairstyle, I'll definitely need to revive my curls. Yeah, I think I'm gonna check my bag one more time, see if everything's in there.
back.
You do like do like crazy, oh crazy, oh crazy, crazy, oh crazy, oh
dedicated to. It's like outfits and garments that really we wear to our special occasions to make treasured memories in, and I think the core of that is who you're making those memories with. So this is like a testament to that, this beautiful room of people. Amazing. I really truly from the bottom of my heart I want to say a huge thank you to you all. Yeah, we really appreciate the contribution you guys make, and coming from a designer, I just want to say like the inspiration but also the appreciation for energy that you guys put out, the voices that you guys put out, the aesthetic, the beauty. It's like grounded in joy and beauty, and that is an amazing thing to contribute to the world around us.